Okay.
I think he did.
He's done. He wants to play. We can take him outside for a walk if you want to. There'll just be more stuff for him to get into, I suppose.
Oh, he doesn't.
Yeah, he does. She brought them here. Look. Here's his good shoes. Down, if you decide, look, here's his shoes. I mean, we both have to do it, of course. It's like, this is the nursery school right here. Hey, look at this. Say hi, baby. Closed off. Baby, baby. Baby, baby.
Say hi, baby. Say hi to baby Louie. Say hi. Ooh, she's looking at you. Hey, look at her.
She's always looking at Louie. Louie, teach her some new words. Say hi. Say bye-bye. Can you show her how to say that? Hi. Bye-bye. Guess who's making poopy? That's he's making poopy. You can just see it all over his face. Hi. Naughty.
Beep, 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 beep.
You making poopy, huh? Poopy? Poo-poo. Poo-poo.
You can take him on the...
I will, but I'll wait about 10 more minutes. For a good reason. He might poop a little bit more. Oh, I forgot.